Home Remedies presents.
Did you know lemon peels could help you get rid of joint pain? Lemon peels help in improving bone health. The high amount of calcium and vitamin C help in maintaining and improving the health of bones and prevent bone-related diseases like osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammatory polyarthritis. In today's video, I will share with you a simple recipe that will help you get rid of joint pain. Ingredients: lemon peels from 2 lemons, olive oil. Procedure: put the peels of 2 whole lemons in a jar and add enough olive oil to cover them completely. Close the jar and let the mixture sit for 2 weeks. When the remedy is ready for usage, put some of the olive oil onto a clean gauze and place the gauze onto the affected area. Put a plastic bag over the gauze and a wool scarf over the bag. Do this procedure in the evening because the best way to heal your joints is to let this coating to act overnight. Try this remedy and share your comments with me.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.